do you think?
Broken.
Oh, do you feel better? Yeah.
Broken.
Is it broken again? What happened?
Open.
Do you feel better?
Kingston. Grandpa will take care of it.
I got your fingers.
No, Kingston, you can't pull that out. Oh, Pam, you pulled out your power cord.
That's okay. I've got the battery.
Okay.
Oh. You're making funny faces.
Open.
Mommy loves you.
Look at her look at you. Talking to me, Mama?
Yeah. I talk to you a lot. I talk to you a lot. Oh.